Hey everybody, in today's quick tutorial, we will be fixing the IP address problem on our Windows. So if you're seeing errors like no valid IP configuration, you can follow up these steps in order to fix it. First of all, you can restart your Wi-Fi router and your PC. Go to your Wi-Fi router, restart it, and you can even restart your PC. Look out for restart and restart your computer. That should often clear IP conflicts, sometimes automatically. Apart from that, what we can do is release and renew the IP address. Hit Windows plus R for that and open this right here. From there, just go ahead and type in CMD, hit enter, and your command prompt appears. If not this, you can just go ahead and type in CMD and run it as administrator, like this. Once you run your administrator here on your screen, you will be finding this administrator command prompt appear on your screen. So here, just go ahead and type in these codes available. First of all, you can type in IP config space dash release and hit enter. And the next thing you can do is you can just go ahead and press renew. So you can type in ipconfig space slash renew and hit OK. And that should do it. This forces the Windows to request a fresh IP address from your router. If this still is not working in the same command prompt, what you can do is go to CMD, type in run it as administrator, and click on yes. Type in ipconfig slash flush DNS and hit enter. And that should flush the DNS resolver cache for you. Now that will clear all DNS data that could be causing issues. And another thing you can do is if nothing else works in the command prompt again, type in CMD. You need to run it as administrator, remember that. And there, just go ahead and then type in net sh winsock reset. Net sh winsock reset and hit enter. And that should reset the Windows catalog. And you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset, and that way you can just go ahead and fix the issue. One of these methods should probably fix your IP address issue on your Windows. So if this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.